Welcome to the APTIS speaking test. You will answer some questions about yourself and then do 3 short speaking tasks. Listen to the instructions and speak clearly into your microphone when you hear the signal. Each part of the test will appear automatically. The test will take about 12 minutes. Part 1. In this part, I'm going to ask you 3 short questions about yourself and your interests. You will have 30 seconds to reply to each question. Begin when you hear the sound. Talk to me about your best friend. Why is friendship important? What is your area like? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 2. In this part, I'm going to ask you to describe a picture. Then I will ask you 2 questions about it. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Describe this picture. Why is it important to have a family? Can you tell me about an important family event? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 3. In this part, I'm going to ask you to compare two pictures, and I will then ask you two questions about them. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Describe these pictures. Tell me about a time you went on holiday. Why is it important to have a break from work? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 4. In this part, I'm going to show you a picture and ask you 3 questions. You will have 1 minute to think about your answers before you start speaking. You will have 2 minutes to answer all 3 questions. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Do you shop online? Why? What are the pros and cons of shopping online? Why do some people become shopaholics? You have 1 minute to think about your answers. You can take notes if you wish. You now have 2 minutes to talk. Thank you. This is the end of the test.